How to enable or disable accessibility shortcut in guided access on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again, and below here in general section, you can see the guided access. Okay, go to this and make sure the guided access is enable or turn on. So to turn on the guided access, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And now here in guided access, you can see the accessibility shortcut. And the accessibility shortcut is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable, when you triple click the side button during a guided access session, accessibility shortcut settings will be displayed. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled accessibility shortcut in guided access on iPhone X.